Ride the wave. We surfing markets, baby, waves crashing hard. No crystal ball, just charts, we dodging the shards. Ocean's the game, we traders riding the swell. Waiting for the trading, now you have the intel. Let's go! Markets in ocean, we waiting through the chop. Candlesticks dancing, we watching where it stops. Bull waves rising, bears pulling it back. Fibonacci levels, yeah, waiting to react. Fake gurus say they know what will happen only after the fact. If it was true, we'd all stack racks. Probabilities king, we playing the odds. They barnacles slowing down, new traders just start the pods. Stop loss tight, risk management is key. Successful traders learn the hard way, now have the highest degree.
You can't control the wind.
Ooh, let the waves roll, let the market flow. Wait for the trade, don't FOMO, ride the wave. Feel the ocean's momentum, we wait. Wild traders jumping quick, let them, ooh, let it come to you, the setup's true. Patience is power, now the trade breaks through. Ride the wave, watch the trend, now we add into our dividends.
You can't control the wave.
Crypto's a tsunami, it's wild, it's raw. Trading can be like a puzzle, 10,000 piece jigsaw. FOMO's a siren, trying to make us go deaf. But we stay patient, taking a deep breath. Charts our compass, price action our guide. Crossing the signals, we prepping to ride. No wave, no trade, we chillin' on shore. Read each portfolios like stepping on a claymore. Bulls get cocky, bears cry in the rain. Emotional roller coaster, but we gripping the chain. Wait for the trade to ride the wave, no stress. We learning every day, that's how we finesse.
You can't control the wave.
Ooh, let the waves roll, let the market flow. Wait for the trade, don't FOMO, ride the wave. Feel the ocean's momentum, we wait. Wild traders jumping quick, let them, ooh, let it come to you, the setup's true. Patience is power, now the trade breaks through. Ride the wave, watch the trend, now we add into our dividends.
You can't control the wave.
Ocean don't care about your bags or your dreams. Waves keep crashing, gotta ride with our team.
Be patient, let the market decide. Wait for the trade, let it go.
If traders knew what will happen, we'd all be rich. But we serve probabilities, they be giving a sales pitch.
If traders knew what will happen, we'd all be rich. But we serve probabilities, they be giving a sales pitch.
Probabilities king, we playing the odds. Fake gurus be barnacles, just start the pods. Slowing down, new traders watching their portfolio concave. We only have probabilities, you can't control the waves.
That's right, guys. We cannot control the waves, but we can ride them. We can ride them. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time is your time, it's always time to make this money. And my camera's not working again today. Not sure why. Probably got to reboot my computer a few more times. But camera is saying no go, no go. Not today. Not today. It's all right. It's going to be pretty much a quick show today. Got a bunch of stuff I'm doing. But if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. And we will look at those for you. But once again, today's going to be pretty much a quick show. And yes, CCM or Joe needs some sleep at CCM stream. Yeah, I actually missed CCM stream. I messaged him just a little bit ago. Just woke up. And I said, dude, I'm sorry. I messaged him like at 5 or 6 in the morning saying, all right, time to get some rest. I'll be there by 11. And I actually woke up at 10:30. I said, just one more minute. And then I woke up right now. It's like, no. Oh, well. Oh, well. K Diggity says, Joe actually got his perm, but he's embarrassed. That's funny. That's funny. No. But just to let you know, today's going to be a quick show. I believe my neighbor is going to take me to lunch today, so that'll work. All right, so here we go. You know, my neighbor is a good dude. He's the one who does stocks and stuff like that. And yesterday's lunch was amazing. It was amazing. Lots of fart coin. I don't know if we're in that one or not, but yeah, some of these coins are blasting off pretty good. But let's go get started, since today's gonna be a short day. I'm gonna try to reduce the amount of talking I do. So once again, if you have any coins you want me to do, if you have any questions, let me know. So on the daily looks pretty good. You know, we have 5, 8, 11, and then we have a 20. And then pump, I thought, what happened to the 100 million% it was supposed to do, or whatever it was? But I mean, it's looking okay for an hourly time frame. For this to be a daily time frame, boring. I see here, bro. Done got it, bro. Dude, right now it's a good. Yeah, it's my hair is crazy. Even if my camera did work, which I'm really happy I can use this as an excuse. My hair is like all over the place and got curlies and puffiness, and it's nuts. I scare myself. Yeah. Let's see here. So these numbers would be okay on a hourly time frame, but this is on the daily. What's the hourly doing? Well, let's check it out. Hourly, not good. Does this mean price is coming down? I don't know. Let's find out together, since I just woke up. I was up until about 6 hours ago, 5 hours ago. All right, let us go to the Fear and Greed Index first. And let's go and refresh this one more time. And let's go to the crypto. We're at 70. We're down 3 points. Okay, fine. Let's go to the liquidations heat map. And let's actually look to see. Let's refresh it one more time. We're looking at the 24-hour time frame. Here, Steve says, good afternoon. How was your steak? Oh man, it was good. It was really good. Nice big old ribeye steak. It was ribeye steak with shrimp. Oh my gosh, the shrimp were big too. With all the trimmings, it was a really nice birthday dinner. It was really nice. And let's see here. Tickman says, paint to the porch more. I think the heat burnt my brain. Uh-oh. That's right. More perms, more problem. That's funny. I like it. Yes, free liquidity now. That's right. All right. So we're looking at the 24-hour time frame. We have a lot of liquidity on the downside. Look at that. 91 million at 11,571. A lot. Really bright. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. 12-hour time frame. Oh, lordy. We got a lot to the bottom and to the top, but it looks like it's going to go down. Look, we have a high, lower high, lower high. Possible. Now, which way is it going to go? I don't know. Because, well, it can't go up here if it doesn't break this. I mean, it's impossible. It can't come down here unless it breaks this. So once it breaks the level, then that's which way we know it's going to go. But right now, you know, we have this level right here that it's right on. So we're going to look at that in just a second. Let's see here. Where did you go? Yesterday for my lunch, it's a steakhouse. I went, got a big old fat juicy steak. And the waitress, she brought me some A1 sauce. And she's like, we have this one, or we have, I forgot what other sauce, barbecue sauce. And she goes, did you want me to bring you the other one? I said, nope. If it's done right, you don't need sauce. And sure enough, cut into that bad boy, juicy, flavoring was perfect. And I said, nope, don't need it. See, the real liquidity did nothing wrong. The other one is guilty. Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't know what I can believe anymore. Believe your heart, my friend. Believe your heart. Nah, don't listen to your heart. Your heart's dumb sometimes. All right, here we go. So we're looking at the total liquidations. What's happening in the market right now? On the 1 hour, we have longs getting liquidated, so that tells me the price is going down. 4 hour, price was going up because the shorts were getting liquidated. 12 hour, price is going up. 24 hour, price is going pretty nicely up. Okay, so let's go and look at the charts. Again, this is going to be a very quick stream. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any coins, let me know too. All right, so last night I was pretty much updating the group. If you're not in the group, so here's two things. One, do you need to join my group to learn how to trade? No, I'll tell you that right now. And you'll learn faster, but you don't need to be in my group to learn how to trade. The reason you want to join my group is because I'm doing all these updates. You know, here I did an update, here I did an update. I did another few updates as this is going. I did another update when the alert went off. So what it's doing, it's time management. You know, you're leveraging your time to where you're not in the chart all day. I'm the one doing that, and I just report to the group, and there you go. But if you have the money, stop messing around, join the group. We have monthly, the annual, you save a lot of money though. And then of course you have the lifetime. So definitely look into that. I'll give you exact setups, a lot of thought process videos and just updates on the market. So definitely check that out. If you don't have money, well then watch this channel and I'll make you money, not financial advice. Once you make the money, then join the group, stop messing around, get access to me. Basically almost 24/7. Like I said, well, let me see. When was the last post that I did? Let's see here. Oh, now this one was at, it was at 4:40 or 4:38 this morning. But just saying, hey, Bitcoin's moving. And I did a video before this. But I forget what the, oh, here's one. No, that's PM. But yeah. Oh, here's one. This is at 5:30 in the morning. You know, because stuff's moving. You know, stuff moves at night. And they're asking as far as the coin goes, I say, yep, I'm seeing a lot of this. All right, anyway. Let's go get started, guys. So let's get started. I'm in the charts all day. Yep. As long as they're not sleeping. Yep. Very true. Very true. All right. So again, this is going to be a very quick stream. So here we had, so what happened and what's happening. So I don't spend 15, 25 minutes showing where you could have made money, where you should have, except I don't do that crap. I let other people do that. What I do is I show you what happened and I show you how we can make money. That's what I do. So here we go. On the this is a 15-minute time frame. So on the 15-minute time frame, you know, we identified this as our, you know, trend line. Price action was right here. We're right at the trend line, and we're thinking, okay, more than likely, price might come up, make a lower high, retrace to about here to break up and make a higher high to continue doing higher highs, higher lows. Now, I believe I did another video when it was right here. And in that video, so I don't know what's going to happen, but I can tell you what I think might happen. And if it doesn't go the way I'm thinking, well, then we have to adjust our kind of projection of what might happen. So initially, I just went over what I thought was going to happen. Then we can see that the price did pull back, but not as low as I thought. So in essence, it's just kind of going straight up. So because it's going straight up, I'm thinking we may go up a little bit more to, and notice where it went up, to come down now to about this level, or maybe even this level. because it didn't pull back here and it pretty much just went straight up. Now I'm thinking we're going to pull back here to maybe here. And notice what happens, guys. Price goes up to the, I can't make this stuff up, guys. I cannot make this stuff up. Price went up to here. Then it came down. And I'm thinking in between this area. And it stopped right here. Almost right in the middle of this area. Maybe if we include the wick just to make me look better, you know, make me look right. I'm not lying to you guys. Like, this is what I do. Now, sometimes, and we've seen it, sometimes I am way off. Sometimes spot on. Now, as I'm explaining this, that I do think it's going to go up, I'm also giving you, this is in the video. I made a video for the group. I'm also giving you the other scenario. I said, this is what we want to see. We want to see this, you know, coming down and then breaking the high. And so now we're attacking these highs. If this does not happen, let's say we come down and we come up, which is fine. But now the next thing, this is our decision point. 50%, I'm giving you all of my sauce. I'm giving you, you don't need to join my Discord to learn this stuff. You don't need to join my Telegram to learn this stuff. I'm showing you right now. I'm showing you how I make money. Like, this is the sauce. And just try it. Add this to your trading strategy and be amazed. Because price cannot go down unless it breaks this. Price cannot go up unless it breaks this. This is how simplified my trading style is. Do we lose? Sure. Do we win? Heck yeah. Here's our decision point. And I'm saying that if we do come down, or we break our decision point and we come and we break this, now what we're doing is we're looking for lower lows and lower highs. This is in case we don't go up. I'm always looking for plan A, plan B. And this is what I'm doing. Why is this not updating? Crap, man, I hate that. The thing works and then it doesn't. All right. Let's see here. Oh, there it goes. Let's see here. Let me catch up in the chat really quick. Okay. Okay, Diggity says, it's party time. It's party time. Yep, party time with no camera. My camera is off, which is good because, man, like I said, I just woke up. Hair's all over the place. Crazy. But this is going to be a quick show. We got about 10 more minutes. About 10 more minutes. Give you a heads up. So here, going down the list. If you have any questions, let me know. Any coins, let me know. If not, then that's fine. Al says, abbreviation time. Uh-oh. Well, good morning, Joe. Just make sure to catch that SFP. Oh, my gosh. And not pull your fib in public until the value area low. Oh, my gosh. Too much, Al. Too much. I love it. I love it. So here, Ms. Wick, I'm glad you're here. You know, being fair. Oh, my gosh. Okay, going down the list. Let's see. How many times do I have to pronounce it? Yeah. Going down the list. Let's see. Just don't throw out your back. Uh-oh. It's not worth it. All right. So this is what I'm thinking might happen. And sure enough, we come down to this area and we start coming up. And we break this. So now we're good. And this whole time I'm trading long, short, long, short. Did I do any shorts? I don't think I did any shorts. I just waited for the long to continue. And then look at all this. Now I did get stopped out. Dang it. I forgot where I got stopped out. I think, where did I get stopped out? I don't remember. But it would have been really nice profit. Dang it. And the problem that I have, and I know this, is I trade with too high leverage. So as it's going up and I'm making decent, you know, good money, really, I move my stop loss really tight and then I get stopped out. But I may have been stopped out here. before this nice run up. Possible. I don't know. Okay, so now that we went over what already happened, now granted, I did not say anywhere in my little speech of how you could have made money, you should have done this, you could have done that. I don't do that. I let other people do that. I show you what happened and how to make money. What I think might happen, what I think, where the price action might go, and again, spot on. Does this happen all the time? Nope. Does this happen pretty often? Yes. And when it does, to me, it amazes me. It really does. How accurate sometimes this can be. And sometimes it's way off. But these are the updates I put in the group. So if you want the group, come on in. Damien says TA on Solana. All right. So I think that's going to be the only coin. Today's going to be a short show. I gotta do a bunch of stuff. See, continue in a trade on that one. Currently in a trade. Okay, awesome. So what do I think Bitcoin's going to do right now? Well, let's just see. Price went up, came down, nice level, went up, came down, very nice. I think we're going to go up. One thing that we do not want to do, we do not want to break this little zone. This is a zone we do not want to break. We'll go up higher. Possible. Go from here to here. This is a zone we don't want to break. We break this zone, we're in a trouble. So this is my zone. I don't want to label it a bounce zone because it's not. But let me put a holy smokes face. Do I have a holy smokes face on here? Let's go faces. Boring. I guess we'll do this one. Is there something with eyes on this? Moons. Nope. I guess I can do this. I don't know what I can do. Oh, this thinking. Boom, done. So be careful. I think it's going to go up. If we come down here, I'm looking for a bounce. But if we break this level, not looking good, because then we can start continuing going down. Because right now we're down, we're going down. You know, we were way up here, all-time highs, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, et cetera, et cetera. And now we're in the transition phase of potentially changing the trend. So if we break this, now we're coming back to, you know, working on a downtrend to continue the break of this level. So this is what I'm looking at. So on the 15-minute time frame, I will say that we might do this. Now, granted, I don't know what's going to happen. I wish I did, but I don't. And let me think. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm not too sure on this one. I have too much on the screen, but I will fix that right now. So I need this box and I need this. And then let me go ahead and hide all this. Hide. Okay, that's better. Sometimes when I have too much, my brain won't think. Okay. So right now we had this downtrend, then transition, then a bounce. So let's go to first what I think is gonna happen here. I think over here to this box, then potentially pull back, then come up. We'll go this far. If we pull back, I'm looking at, what do we pull back right now? Up, down, down. Sure. Sure, why not? You know, I'm still looking at this bounce zone right here. But for this one, this would be my plan A. And this would be my plan B. But I am leaning more towards plan A, hence plan A. Let's see here. Okay, radium maybe. I don't know if you're answering somebody or asking for a request. Playing with XLM today. If you need another, check it out. If not, that's cool. Okay, so we'll put XLM in case we have time. XLM. Again, oh, snap. It's been 8 minutes already. XLM banging. Take that back. I'm down. I'm out of Solana trade. Made a decent profit this afternoon. Okay, very good. We'll check it out. SLF, I still don't know what that means. Oh, I don't know what that means. Here, hey, Melissa, what's going on? Hey, in my defense, I even did yard work in 100-degree weather. Holy smokes, on my birthday. Holy smokes. Jay says, what happened, Joe? You sound like, ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. It's been so hot. Yes, indeed. I agree. So here, very nice. All right. Okay, so on this one, I do think that we're going to go up. We pretty much went over what I thought might have happened, and it played it out perfectly. Does that happen all the time? Nope, sure doesn't. Are you going to join my group so that you can get these perfect, exact calls to every single penny and cent? No, don't do it, because you will be disappointed. Sometimes I get it right, sometimes I get it wrong. Give you very, very transparent, very clear. All right, so I do think we're going to go up. And then maybe even here, but I want to wait, you know, to see if we do this. And then if so, I'm pretty sure we'll come down again. And then like the bigger picture, like do something like that. All right, so let us look at, let's go to YouTube so I don't give away all of my secrets. Got to keep something for the VIP members. So USDT. See here. Okay, going up. So I'm assuming you did a short. So on SO, we were looking at this, and let's go to a 4-hour time frame. We are not in SO. We're in a few others. Yesterday we actually got into, I think, like 2 or 3 coins, but that's my limit is 3. And I was continuing to get alerts going off. And I told my group, I said, listen, guys, we already met our max. We're not posting anymore. We might post some more tomorrow, which is today. And that's what I do. Like, I limit the amount of postings that I do for setups. Because right now, I believe we're in 5 active trades. We got stopped out on a few. Most in profit. I think 1 in at a loss, small loss. But you don't want to be in a lot of trades, and you're gonna miss trades. You are going to miss trades. I'm gonna say that one more time. 3rd time's a charm. You, not the one next to you, you will miss trades. You will miss moves. You will be looking at coins and be like, let me check on it tomorrow. And tomorrow it goes up 55%. Do not beat yourself up about it. It is going to happen again and again and again. There is no way you can be in every single coin. There is no way you can know which coin will pump. So stop doing it. Don't beat yourself up. Let's see here. I'm going to trade on AI16Z, 10x leverage. That's very dangerous. I do that. That's very dangerous though, because that's literally trading with like a 70x leverage on like a random coin. Trying to ride that up to 22. Very nice. Yeah, AI16Z. Same thing with a bunch of the other AI very small tokens. Like it's super, like doing a 3x is risky, 5x is very risky, a 10x is like nuts. But I trade a 10x on AI16Z, but with very little money though. Let's see, K Diggy says, me, question mark? You're probably talking to somebody. I was in Solana long from, okay, nice. 5x leverage on Solana, very smart, I like it. Okay. So here we are, we're looking at Solana. The price was here. I was thinking that potentially come up to here, come down, come up. We ended up breaking this level very nicely, coming down, beautiful retest. Came up, did a lower high. This is where everybody freaks out. And mark my words, everybody freaks out on this. Oh no, we did a lower high. Yeah, it's okay. Because your decision point is what happens afterwards. Here, decision point. We come up to now it's okay, let's take this out to take this out. And then it rolled over. Oh crap. But it didn't break this level. If it would have broken this level, now more than likely would have come down here, maybe fought up again, and continue the downtrend. This is why I'm showing you all the secret sauce. You do not need to join the group to learn this. Just join me every single day. Every single day. Most times I have my camera on, but today it is not working, which is good. So I can use that as an excuse for not having on my camera. But join me every day, Monday through Friday. No joke. I will show you how to win. My goal is to make you money so that you join this. I'm not telling you join this to make money. I'm saying watch my show, ask me questions, ask me about coins, make money, then join my group. To me, that is the most fair deal ever. But a lot of people, they want you to join their group to learn how to trade. I don't. All right, moving on. Reach out to me, guys. Trade_intuition. I will show you a welcome video. And if it's for you, great. If the group's not for you, no sales pressure. I have nothing to sell you. All right. So I'm thinking, and it came down, went up. Okay, come down, coming up, broke this level, broke this level, broke this level. Let's go, moon mission. Right now it's ready. So this one, in my opinion, is done nicely. Continues to not break the lows. Here, did not break the low. Here, did not break the low. Look at my crosshairs. Here, did not break the low. Here, did not break the low. As long as we don't break the lows, we're good. As soon as we start breaking the lows, that's when it's like, uh-oh, watch out. Watch out. But, and then we broke this high, so it's good. Curious, why would you exit this trade? Like this, it's at the beginning. Like here, I think you can come up to maybe here, then pull back to maybe here, and then more than likely continue. I don't know why you would exit this trade. Unless your stop got hit. That's what I would think. Maybe your stop got hit. And one thing that I don't do, I used to be in this trade, then I get out, then I go into another trade, then I get out, then I go to another trade, and then I get out, and then I go into another trade, and I go out. I go to another trade, and I get out. And I'm doing this like 20, 30 trades, and I come back to the first trade, and the first trade is way up here, like 40% higher. It's like, oh crap, if I would have just stayed in that first trade. You know, instead of chasing. Well, granted, it's different from my chasing definition to your definition of chasing. But just going from one coin to another, to another, to another, to another, to another. See here. Let's see. Me, Damien's going to go live at 6 p.m. today, guys. 6 p.m. So be there or be square. 6 p.m. So definitely put that on your. Write that down. 6 p.m. Let's go. So I do think this one's going to continue going. And right here is a really nice level of support / resistance. And it started from way back over here. Way back over here. Kind of like a little zone. Little zoney zone. Y'all see this zone right here? Let's get it. Lots of stops along this area. But if it pulls back, I do think that it'll go. Oh, here's a 382. So we might do this right here. But for me, I wouldn't be out of this coin. You may have done nicely on the profit, but why leave it? In my opinion, just my opinion. Just booking my profits on a day-to-day basis with Solana. Very nice. Not trying to swing trade it. No, but I mean, to me, it just makes sense. I mean, if you're making money on this, it's kind of like going out with a hot girl. Just because you went out with her once, that doesn't mean you dump her or try to get another hot girl. Stay with that hot girl. You know, you already got something out of it, right? You already got profit out of it. That's my opinion. That's Solana spot bags. They are benefiting from the rise in the price. Oh, very nice. I don't have Solana. I need Solana. I need a lot of coins. I need money too. So let's go. Let's go. Moon mission. Let's do it. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking on that one. All right. So let's go to the next one. Let's go ahead and put this on the bottom. So I do think that we're good. Oh wait, what am I doing here? Then YouTube rapid fire. So it's gonna be the last one, XLM. I'm actually over my time. Dang it. We're gonna do XLM really fast. That'll be the end of the show. I do thank you. Holy smokes! I do thank you everybody for being here. Holy cannoli, man! Danger zone. If it crosses this level, and sure enough, it came down. More than likely liquidated a bunch of people. Started coming up. Here we have a trend line, but I need a break of a level. Regular level, moon mission. Joe, that's really easy to do after the fact. I agree. Please tell that to the mentors you're watching that do that. Just kind of remind them, bring them back to earth. That's great. You showed me what already happened and how I could have made money. Can you please show me how I can make money right now? Because that's the goal. The goal is to know how to make money right now, not how I could have made money, what I should have done, what levels it was going to definitely bounce off of. Like, I want to know, how am I going to make money right now? Show me the way. Let me learn, sensei. That's what you need to ask them. How can I make money right now? That's what we need. Okay, perfect. Look, we found something. Let's see here. So this is our little zone. So what I do, and my goal, is to not only show you what already happened, but to show you how you can make money. That's what we're in this for, is to make money. You know, do I expect this to pull back? Oh my gosh, I would love for this to pull back. I don't think it's going to pull back to where I wanted to. Let's go to the fib retracement. Let's come over here. Oh, so I had a question yesterday in reference to fibs. Like, how do you draw the fibs, etc., etc. And I mentioned, you know, I have videos, guys. Like, again, you don't need to pay $1,000 for a boot camp. You don't need to pay $1,000 for a, you know, training session, live stream, screen share, whatever they want to sell you. You don't need to buy it. Fib. So what you do is you come over to my channel. I have a lot of videos on a lot of things. You type in fib and you hit enter. Very important. You have to hit enter. And then I have a bunch of videos on fibs. So let's go to the playlist. I think, let's view all. Let's go to this. What is this? I don't know. What is this? Here I have the Ultimate Beginner's Guide, 1 of 8. If you are interested in learning how to trade. Now, granted, maybe if I put an $800 price tag on this, maybe it would interest you. Or a $1,500 price tag, maybe it'll interest you. But because it's free, subconsciously and consciously, we think, oh, it doesn't have any value. I guarantee it. I risk all of my entire portfolio, my $14. I risk my entire $14 portfolio to guarantee you watch these videos. Now, granted, it says 1 of 8 and I only have 6. Why is that? Well, nobody's watching these videos. The way people get introduced to these videos is they when you watch it, smash a like, leave a comment or two, interact with the video. Then YouTube pushes out to other people. But if the like button isn't smashed, YouTube's not going to pump it out. So I need your help to help other people. This free. You don't need to join my group. You don't need to do any of that stuff. Watch these videos, smash a like, leave comments. And here is the fib video. Where is it? Right here. Mastering the fib retracement and extension, pullback, and targets for trading success. Here you go. You want to learn how to trade? Watch these videos. Joe, I've been trading for 18 years, and my system is extremely complicated. Well, then watch these videos and see if my trading style matches with the thousands and hundreds of thousands of hours that you put in. See if I just simplified it. And I talk about it in under 10 minutes, in under 15 minutes. People do not value something that's free. This, in my opinion, is easily worth $1,000 course. Easily. If you don't believe me, watch it. Watch it, leave comments, like it, and if you hey Joe, I don't agree, this is crap. Let me know. Any comment is better than no comment, and smash the like. But if you want to learn how to trade, I have it here for you. And depending, I might put the last two on here. The last two are the most important, but I won't put them on there unless I get these views up. Joe, are you holding them hostage? Yes, 100%. 100%. Because if people aren't finding value in this, well, then I guess people don't have value in this. Will make you money. I wish. When I first started and I didn't know anything about crypto, I wish somebody was offering this to me as opposed to trying to sell me something. Everybody wants to sell you something. This right here, this is not me selling you anything. You don't need to join this. I'm giving you that course for free. This is to have access to me. If you have the money, do the lifetime membership, save a crap load of money. But you can learn here as well. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Dutchy. I was watching CCN because Joe was supposed to be a co-host, but he had to cut the stream because Joe was too busy with steak digestion. Yes, I was. I feel bad when I miss his streams. I stay up too late and I can't wake up. I did wake up like at 10:30 and I closed my eyes again. I was like, let me just, and then I conked out again. I feel bad. Damien says, I'm already married to Solana. No, don't do it. Hottest coin in my opinion. Yeah, but she gets around. Don't do it, man. Word on the street. She gets around. Let's see here. Nevertheless, I smashed the like button. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you. Let's see here. Amongst his videos is a new country song that is a verified banger. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching my clips. Let's go back. So if you go to videos or even playlists, you can see the music one. This actually is getting more views than my other ones. So watch this video, guys. It's a country song. I like it. I don't like country, but I jam out to this song. But this one is fun, guys. This one is so funny. I'm roasting somebody who likes to try to roast me. I mean, they're always in my comments. They're very funny. And I use them more for entertainment. I don't ban them. I don't block them. I don't do any of that stuff. To me, it's funny that they think that they can get a rise out of me. It's like, no, like I'm literally laughing at you. Like we're all laughing at you. Like that must be a sad life to know that people, like you're trying to say, oh, this guy doesn't know what he's doing. He's a scammer. This is not blah, blah. And then to have people laughing at your comments because they see what I do. They see that I'm giving out this information for free. They see that you don't need to join my group. Let me cancel these things out. That you don't need to join my group to learn how to trade. Like they see all this. So when this person is trying to troll me Like they just look so ridiculous, but it's funny. Let's see what else. What else we got? Going on the list. Oh, do we do XLM? Oh, we're doing XLM. Okay. So right now, FOMO mode, and we talk about this in that video for Fibs. FOMO mode is okay to retrace to the 236. I would prefer to retrace minimum to the 382. And I love the 0.5. Now this all depends on the segment of the market we're in, beginning, middle, end. So I'll just let you know. Let's see here. Going to the list. Man, it's a whole hour show. What happened to the 30 minutes, Joe? Let's see here. Going to the list. Okay. We'll talk about Marion Solana. Talk about that one. See, it's so true. That psychology works on eBay too. Yeah, it is. Like I can put the course and watch me do it. This course is valued at $12.59. But if you download them now or watch they're going to be removed tomorrow. People are going to watch the video. As opposed to me telling you, like, if you want to trade, like, this is the plan, this is the key. But then if I put $800 on it, discounted from $1,200, they'll buy it. But when it was free, they won't. See here, going to the list. Okay. Going to the list. Okay, Joe also has a deep dive on Trading View that I just found. Yeah, like I got videos, guys. If you want to find out something, search my videos first. And I literally leave almost no stone unturned. I'll be going to class after the stream to see if I can learn something. Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Then there's stuff I was finding out too, because I don't click on every button. Let's see here. Going to the list. When Joe says it's going to be a short stream, we know that he really means it's the Frankie Candle effect. Man, I really need to. Oh, I didn't even check my messages. Let's see here. All right, is Trade Flight going live today? Do you know? If so, what time? All right, so here would be a nice thing, but I do think that this would way too much. I think we do need to pull back. Yeah, you kidding me? So I want to see a minimum. For me, I wouldn't enter this trade. It's a setup for disaster. I would have to wait for a pullback to at least 0.405-ish area. And then we go. But it's too late to enter this. Now, if it pulls back to 0.5, even better. Even better. If it goes in this, I'm getting worried. Golden pocket, because then it could end up reversing. But I don't think that will, because right now we're at the point, and a matter of fact, that screenshot that I showed, I think TradeFi is out of town. Oh, okay. In Hawaii, man. That's nice. Abbreviations. Always be bearish on short streams. That's funny. Let's see here. So I would expect it to pull back to here. Does it mean that it has to? Can it go straight up? Sure. And then I would look for it to bounce here. But right now, I wouldn't enter. I would not enter. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. So much for my short stream, man. I cut it by 8 minutes. Good Lord. That's ridiculous. But once again, for this one, I do think we're going to go up. If we come in here, this way we're like, uh-oh, watch out. because then we could potentially start doing our lower highs, lower lows. Again, we don't know what's going to happen. All we have is probabilities. I say that a whole bunch because I want to make sure that, you know, some people, they need this over and over and over again, where, you know, nobody knows what's going to happen. Nobody knows. But, oh, let me get rid of this. This is when we were in that area. Just kind of clean up this. Get out of here. We don't need you. Do I need this alert? I don't. Well, I guess to say that we broke above this zone. No, I don't need it. Get out of here. You bother me, kid. Same thing with this. Get out of here. You bother me. Clean up your mess. Clean up your room. All right. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, Dutchie. Oh, you are too funny. Oh my gosh. You guys are the best. And just to let you know, guys, you're my favorite. You are my favorite. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. Let's go ahead and jam out to the intro song once more. And thank you very much. Once again, my camera was not on for today due to the fact that, well, it wasn't working. And I'm kind of glad it wasn't, so I could have it as an excuse. Make sure to join us every single day, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 4. I do thank you. We will see you on the next one. Let's jam out for a few moments. Thank you so much. Oh, and remember, you don't have to be in a trade all the time.
No crystal ball, just toss me dodging the shards. Ocean's the game, we traders riding the swell. Waiting for the trading, now you have the intel. Let's go! Markets in ocean, we waiting through the chop. Candlesticks dancing, we watching where it stops. Bull waves rising, bears pulling it back. For binocular levels, yeah, waiting to react. Fake gurus say they know what will happen only after the fact. If it was true, we'd all stack racks. Probabilities king, we playing the odds. They barnacles slowing down, new traders just start the pods. Stop loss tight, risk management is key. Successful traders learn the hard way, now have the highest degree.
You can't control the wind.
Ooh, let the waves roll, let the market flow. Wait for the trade, don't FOMO, ride the wave. Feel the ocean's momentum, we wait. Wild traders jumping quick, let them, ooh, let it come to you, the setup's true. Patience is power, now the trade breaks through. Ride the wave, watch the trend, now we add into our dividends.
You can't control the wind.
If I would have drank, that would have probably been the case. And you would think so too, because I was late and barely woke up. But no, I just stayed up all night. All right, guys, that's all I got. I do thank you. I love each and every one of you. You guys are the absolute best, you know, guys and gals. I appreciate you so much. And did you say gals? Yeah, I said gals. And we'll see you on the next one. Remember, you don't have to be in a trade all the time. And if you're in trades and they're making you money, you know, stay in them as long as you can. Keep on trading those, and don't feel like you have to. You're gonna miss trades. Like I have to stress that you will miss trades, and it's okay. We're gonna get them. So, all right, that's all I got. If you're not in the group, join the group. Stop messing around. But I do appreciate you guys every single day showing up. Thank you. Take care. See ya.